Yo, what's going on, everyone? So, SM7B in my hands right now. So, Shure sent this out to me as a promotion, and they're giving it to all their new people that they have connected, right? Okay, so I'm a streamer myself, you know me, and a YouTuber, and so they have partnered with me and sent me their new SM7B, right? Okay, so we're gonna try this out. We're gonna see how. So let's try this out. All right. Ooh, oh, I like this. Okay, so it's got a lot of cable. So if you see it there, it's sort of like a long cone shaped thing, and then it's got a lot of wire, right? All right, so we're gonna plug this in. And we're gonna do a sound test. All right. All right. So this is this.
Testing, 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 1, 2.